Hi, Mr. A. This is Jan Wells, and I'm going to do my eye dissection. And I'm wearing these goofy glasses because I have to for my cataract surgery, but it's all cool. Anyway, I'm going to do this a little bit differently so you'll have a bird's eye view of my cow eye. This is my cow eye. This tough outer covering here is the sclera, and it's like the white of our eyes. It's a protective tissue. It covers most of the eyeball except for the lens, and except for the cornea. And it has lots of blood vessels in it. We can't really see them here. We can see some, but that's the outer covering of the eye. This right here is the cornea. It's usually clear. It's a little bit cloudy now because this is obviously from a dead cow. And I'm going to cut. It's very tough. And there's a bunch of stuff oozing out now, which is the aqueous humor. It's the clear fluid that fills the front part of the eyeball. It's between the cornea and the lens and the iris. It's very interesting to me because I'm going to find out from my doctor what happens to that when they do the cataracts. The aqueous humor. This right here, if you can see it, is the iris. It's dark in the cow. This is where the muscle of the eye is, and it surrounds the pupil, and it has the muscles that control the amount of light that comes in through the pupil. Next, we're going to see if we can get the lens, find the lens. Just cutting it out. Find the lens in here. Oh, there it is. See if I can get it out better for you. Okay, the lens, okay, while I'm looking for the lens, I see the vitreous humor, which is actually behind the lens and fills the eyeball, and that is like oozing out. Here's the lens. Here's the lens of the eyeball right there, and it is a little bit cloudy. Mine was actually very cloudy. That's what you take out for cataract surgery. And all this jelly material behind it is the vitreous humor, and that's what fills our eyeball. And the lens helps focus on the retina at the back of the eyeball, which when I take all this stuff out, ew, that's disgusting. We'll be able to see. I'm going to try and turn it inside out. Here actually is the retina in the back of the eyeball. It's back in this area. It's back at the back of the eyeball. And the retina is like really bizarre. This is called the choroid. That is specific to the cow eye. But this retina, it's a lining at the back of the eyeball. It lines the entire back of the eyeball except for where the optic nerve exits the eyeball. And they're layers of cells. These cells are very sensitive to light. The cells send messages to our brain, and our brain sends back and makes pictures for us to see. So that is the cow eye. I was trying to see if I could find the optic nerve. And I think I've destroyed my cow eye enough that it is not there. It would be right, oh, I think actually this might be it, right through here. I wonder if that's it. I would guess that's probably at right here. You can see it just a little bit. Right here is where it would be coming out. Anyway, that is my eyeball dissection. The lens, cornea, and everything in between that is all over my table. Thank you very much, and I'll probably see you next semester. Have a great holiday. Bye-bye.